You wait all season for that perfect tomato, only to find it cracked or split open just before harvest. Tomatoes are the pride of many backyard gardens, but cracks can ruin that dream. If you've felt that disappointment, you're not alone. Cracked tomatoes are a super common problem. The reasons are simple, and with a little know-how, you can protect your harvest. Let's break down how to keep your tomatoes flawless. Watering tomatoes is all about balance. Just like Goldilocks searching for what's just right, your tomato plants need the perfect amount of water. Not too much and not too little. Striking this balance is key to growing healthy, productive plants that yield delicious fruit all season long. Too little water stresses plants, causing them to wilt, drop blossoms, and produce fewer tomatoes. On the other hand, too much water can be just as harmful, leading to split fruit and even root rot. When soil goes from dry to soaked too quickly, tomatoes absorb water faster than their skins can stretch. This sudden swelling causes the fruit to crack or split, making them more vulnerable to pests and disease. The secret is to keep the soil consistently moist, never soggy, never bone dry. Check the soil with your finger. It should feel damp like a wrung-out sponge, about an inch below the surface. Mulch with straw or leaves to lock in moisture, regulate soil temperature, and prevent rapid drying from the sun and wind. Mulching also helps reduce weeds that compete for water. Water deeply but less often to encourage strong roots that reach down into the soil. Shallow, frequent watering leads to weak, surface-level roots that dry out quickly. A soaker hose or drip irrigation system delivers water right to the roots, helping you maintain even moisture and avoid wetting the leaves, which can spread disease. Use a soil moisture meter or probe to know exactly when your plants need water, taking the guesswork out of your routine and preventing over- or underwatering. Master the Goldilocks principle of watering, and your tomato plants will reward you with healthy growth, abundant harvests, and beautiful, unblemished fruit all summer long. Timing your harvest is key to avoiding cracks. Pick tomatoes when they just start to blush, mostly green with a hint of color. If rain is coming, harvest any nearly ripe fruit to prevent splitting. Let them ripen indoors on a sunny windowsill for full flavor. This simple strategy means more perfect tomatoes and less heartbreak. Master the tactical harvest, and you'll see tomato season in a whole new light. Great tomatoes start with great soil. The secret isn't just sunlight or water, it's what's happening beneath the surface. Healthy, nutrient-rich soil is the foundation for strong roots and juicy fruit. If your soil is heavy clay, it holds too much water. If it's sandy, it dries out too fast. Aim for soil that drains well but holds moisture, like a sponge. Mix in compost for nutrients and peat moss or coconut coir for structure. Mulch to lock in moisture and keep weeds down. Invest in your soil and your tomatoes will reward you with flavor, abundance, and the satisfaction of a garden well tended. Choosing the right tomato varieties is key to a bountiful, trouble-free harvest. Not all tomatoes resist splitting, so your choice matters. Hybrid types like Celebrity are bred for crack resistance. Look for crack resistant on seed packets to avoid disappointment. Grape and cherry tomatoes like Juliet have thicker skins and rarely split, perfect for snacking and salads. Mix hybrids for reliability, and heirlooms for unique flavors and colors. If splitting's been a problem, try more crack-resistant types. There are plenty that taste great and hold up well. With the right mix, you'll enjoy baskets of flawless, delicious tomatoes all season long. Growing perfect tomatoes is about balance, soil, water, and variety. Don't get discouraged by a few splits, it happens to everyone. Pay attention to your plants and adjust as you go. Small changes, like better watering or new varieties, make a big difference. With a few tweaks, you'll save your harvest and enjoy every bite.